Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name's Lewis from LJR Retro PCs. Tried a different approach this time, coming in front of the camera rather than doing a scripted robotic approach of the last few videos I've done. In this video I'm going to take a look at a PC that I picked up off of eBay a few weeks ago. Got it for a good price. The listing was quite vague, just socket 7, saw an AT case, a little bit of rust on the outside but the insides look quite good, so thought it'd be worth taking a punt on. Anyway, in this video, gonna strip it down, clean it up, see what we've got, and then put it back together and see what we can do with it. Let's go. So here's the motherboard. As you can see, the case has a removable motherboard tray, which is a nice feature. The motherboard we have is a PCChips M530, which is nothing special, but it's got some nice features on it, so that's good. It's also got a 166 MHz Pentium MMX, and an interesting Dallas battery mod, which I actually did before taking the whole PC to pieces. Here we have a typical Yamaha YMF soundcard. These were pretty popular back in the day, and they're pretty good cards. And for the video card, we've got an S3 Trio 64V Plus. It also has the included memory expansion, which is nice, taking it up to 2 MB in total. Now that everything's been cleaned up, it's time to put the PC back together. These motherboard trays really do make this a lot easier than the other ones, which only have the slide-in grommets. This one unfortunately did take a bit of damage during shipping, so I have had to gently persuade some of the parts back into position, but fortunately nothing was broken. Now it's just a case of refitting all the ribbon cables, the VJ sound card, and we should be back to running. Of course, not to forget to put the PSU cables black to black. Fortunately, these ribbon cables are all remembering which way round they went, which makes this far easier. get the CD audio cable. Finally, the VGA card. And a rusty case screw to finish it off. I'll definitely be changing these at some point in the future. Now, the system didn't come with a hard drive, but I did have a spare 6.5 gig drive laying around, so that's a good size for a machine like this. Actually, you mustn't forget the power for the CPU fan. Now, just for the front panel connectors, which I'll do off camera, and then we should be done. So here's the finished PC, all cleaned up. Really pleased with how it turned out. Let's turn it on for the first time, see if it works. So here's the finished PC running Windows 98. I added a 6.5 gigabyte hard drive, which seemed like a good fit for a PC of this age. Let me know what you think about this different style of video. If you'd rather I did go back to a scripted style, or if occasionally stumbling over some words and some wrong camera angles is a bit more human. Anyway, if you like the video, please give it a like. Thanks again.